past Thursday, over 20 John Carroll students traveled to Spain with Miss Michael for the International Spanish Exchange. We checked in with some of these students before the snow to see how they are preparing. Wait, okay, so are you excited to go to Spain?
Yeah.
How are you feeling about it?
Nervous. Yeah, nervous, but it's going to be really fun. Well, we still got to pack a lot, and
I already started packing.
Yeah, and we have to give the Spanish kids gifts. It's like their tradition. So we're all like shopping for stuff and last minute. So.
My dad actually talked to my exchange student's dad, so.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
I'm so excited to go to Spain. We're leaving in 3 days.
Yes, we are. I haven't packed it all yet, actually.
Yeah, I haven't even thought about starting to pack, so we'll see
But
how that
I
goes.
did shop yesterday for my host, so.
We went shopping. We're bringing Old Bay
Yep.
to our host families.
I got my host mother some Yankee candles, got a Raven Sir blanket, a vintage Maryland tea, and a, what else?
I got a picture book, and
Oh yeah, I got a full book of Edgar Allan Poe poems and stuff.
so we're trying to bring stuff that'll kind of like make them feel like they visited Maryland if they haven't been here before.
Yeah.
And we're gonna be staying with our families in Toledo.
Yes, it's gonna be very exciting.
And it's
a
my
really
first
cool
time in
city.
Europe.
My
I'm
first time
excited.
too, yeah. We have,
gonna
we
be
still
awesome.
have to get packed and all that. We're not ready at all.
Yeah, but we'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
We're just gonna wing it.